Hello friends, my name is Mara and I want to welcome you to the channel. Recipe can be found in the video description box. And don't forget, you can add or remove ingredients depending on your taste. This recipe can be done in the blender or in the food processor. We start by adding the chipotle peppers. Add fresh garlic, apple cider vinegar, which can also be substituted for lemon juice, a handful of cilantro. I know some people don't like it. If you're one of those, go ahead and remove it. We're also going to add a tablespoon of yellow mustard, either Dijon or any other mustard available to you. Add the sour cream, mayonnaise. I like the store-bought mayonnaise instead of homemade. This way my Chipotle Mayo will last longer. Blend for about 2 minutes. Make sure to stop the blender to scrape it. You want to make sure mayo is well mixed. Put the lid back on and keep on blending. After 2 or 3 minutes, add the black pepper and salt. Measurements are a suggestion. You go ahead and add more salt and pepper or less if you desire. Blend for a last time, between 2 or 3 more minutes. If you want to place the mayonnaise in a plastic squeezable bottle, it will be ready anytime you need it. Or you just put it in a container and spread it with a fork or a spoon. This mayonnaise will last up to 4 to 6 weeks in the fridge. If this is your first time on the channel, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss out any other delicious recipes like this one. See you guys next time. Bye bye.